Right, stop laughing, it looks weird when you start a video when you're laughing again. Hey guys, welcome to our channel, or welcome back. My name's Jessie and today I'm going to be talking about contact lenses and how to clean them. Now the contact lens that I'm going to be using is one that I have been wearing, but I don't wear it anymore because my eye doesn't like it. It was infected actually when I last wore it. But that's because of a bunch of things. If you haven't seen, I posted a couple of videos about my eye and why it looks like it does, so we will link them down below. But anyway, let's get on with the video. So the first thing I do is I wash my hands for about 20 seconds just to make sure literally my whole hand is clean, because obviously the contact lens is going to be in your eye, so you don't want any kind of dirt or anything that could potentially get onto the contact lens and in your eye. And the thing you need to do after you've washed your hands is make sure to use a towel that isn't going to get any loose fibres or hairs on your hand, because that stings when you put your contact lens in and there's like a fibre in it that you can't see that is from the towel. So make sure to use one that won't get any fibres or anything onto the contact lens. And then after that you can do this before you take the solution that was already in the pot of the contact lens and you just put it down the drain, fill it up again with clean solution. And so the solution I used is called High Care. It's really good. I started using it because the one that I was using before, it made the backing of the contact lens come off, so this is really good, so I recommend this one if you can get it. High Care, and it's naturally occurring lubricant, but it's amazing. And you can wash the contact lens with it, you know, with your, it's better to use this finger, I've heard, because it's the softest one. It's, you know, it won't damage your contact lens, it won't like rub it too hard. And then yeah, this can be used to wash it, and it can also be used to like keep it in the pot. And yeah, it's just really good, multi-purpose it does say on it. But yeah, that one's definitely the best I found, because I've been wearing a contact lens for 11 years, that's it. And that is definitely the best one out of all of them that I've used. But as I said before, just put that in as new solution, then you can gently place your contact lens back in the pot, and then you're fine, it's clean. But just remember to do it every single day. I did it twice a day, in the morning and night. Obviously when you put it in, you take the solution out, or if you want to just wash it in the morning and put it back in, you can do that. But I don't think there's a limit to how many times you can wash your contact lens, to be honest, just if you want to be extra safe. Yeah, but if you are going to put the contact lens in, what I found, I was wearing a cosmetic one, I wasn't wearing a medicated one for your eyesight. I was wearing one to cover up the appearance of my eye, so I think they're a bit different. I don't know if they're different, but mine had a backing on it. I don't know if that them contact lenses that help your eyesight do, but this one, if you have got a cosmetic one, I really do recommend, because it doesn't take the backing off and the contact lens lasts for longer. So definitely use that one. But if you want any more videos on how to put a contact lens in, which I might be able to do in September when I'm allowed to wear it again because of all this coronavirus and stuff, but yeah, I've had to wait to put it in, so if it goes wrong I can get an appointment, which I can't right now. So this is my new one, but you can't really see it. I will be using that hopefully in September. That's if I make a video, because like sometimes people don't really want to see videos like that. Let me know if you do want to see a video of how to put a contact lens in, because I found my own way of doing it. I found one way comfortable, and doing it since I was 8 years old. So if you want to see that, then leave a comment. We'll leave our social media on the video and a link, so just let us know. But thank you for watching, and we'll be back with more videos soon. Bye.